COVID here. Everyone wearing masks. Subway. Like, I need to stop saying like, right? Cosmetic things you can buy, masks, drinks, food. Food. Okay. Oh. That's Moscow. This is the center. The center of the center. And here you can buy some items. I don't know, like Chinese. All the Chinese stuff. And Russian souvenirs actually. And do you need shuba? Or maybe shapka? Lingerie? Jeans. Yeah, it's like a market, but not really. Not really. And the coffee here is less than $1. All the Russian souvenirs, all that we can imagine, just in metro. And now we're going up. We're going up stairs to see something interesting. Actually, it would be on the name of this video, so I want to give you I want to keep a secret. Yeah, there is an entrance to H&M, and this is Japanese automatical thing, machine, vending machine, but it's expensive, so no one buying. Tverskaya Street. This is the most famous street of Moscow. At night, yeah. Today is the first time I'm capturing at night, and I just want to make sure you can see something through my old Samsung phone. Hello everyone, this is Tverskaya Street, the most famous street of Moscow. It's changed its name about 3 times, and it was made to go to Tver. Petrovsky Museum and в метро. Какие хитрые. They just wanted to give us the advertisement, like, oh my god. He asked us where we can find coffee takeout, and he knows exactly where. This is Russian cafe. Welcome to Eliseevsky store. Made exactly for tourists. You can buy just the food here, or maybe some souvenirs. Actually, there are two Eliseevsky stores. One of them is in St. Petersburg and another one in Moscow. They were rebuilt many times. And this is really expensive shop, you know. You can see the price is right there. If you buy like pepper, what is it? Pepper, paprika? In regular store it would be 100 ruble, but here is 500 ruble. It's about $8 by the kilo. Yay! Winter is coming. It's 4th of November. 4th of November. Unity Day in Russia. It's a holiday, so no one is working, and we can go to center to see how people walking around and having good time. Today I'm walking with two of my friends. Probably they want to buy caviar. I don't know why they're trying to. Здравствуйте. Вы хотите что-нибудь купить в этом магазине?
Да.
Вы считаете, что здесь нормальные цены?
Ну, я считаю, что цены, конечно, слегка завышены для туристов, но в целом.
Yeah, the prices here are for tourists. My friend said. Yeah, this is the wine hall, let's call it's our place. Winery, yay! From all the parts of the world. Argentina, New Zealand, Australia, what's it called? South Africa? South Africa. Yeah, Russia, Beluga. The most famous Russian vodka? Noble. Noble Russian vodka. Chile, Austria, Germany, tequila, vermouth, martini, Portugal, and Russia. And Russia is only vodka, 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 vodka. Водка, 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 водка. Очень много водки. Yeah, this is Fabergé. Fabergé vodka. It is really vodka. Look at the price. More souvenirs. Whoa, whoa. Take it easy, guy. Reconstruction. Okay. Beluga. Orchid price. Can you understand? It is $1,000, about $800 for vodka. Yeah, this is not vodka. Oh my god. Машан дальше будет. Нет, правда, там дальше шан.
Я и говорю, спасибо. Я бы сейчас Чё? Ну, что я шучу.
It's kind of expensive. I'm like, yeah, we can go for that, but probably we can buy only some cookies or chips, maybe bread or something. This is not that bad. Right, so yeah, this is a price for the bread, the fresh one. Desserts. Oh, Tульский пряник, everyone likes it. It's the real one from Tula. This is for you, that's my like. If I translate it, it means I give it to someone I love. Let's keep walking. Pajama party. That is so cute. Oh, it's like called Rub the Head, and it's like barber shop. Let's take a look in there. Yay! That is so beautiful. Everywhere. This sidewalk is more pretty, as I think. So modern lights. And architecture here is so brilliant. T-skirt. T-skirt is like a t-shirt, but yubka. It's a brand name, T-skirt. So all of the famous places, restaurants, cafes and everything placed here. So every person coming to Moscow should definitely come here one day. Thank you for watching and subscribing my channel. See you next time.